These are truly practical life hacks. You'll be glad you watched them. Turns out there's an easy way to open those stubborn takeout lids. Just use 2 chopsticks to gently pry it open, no mess, and no oil splashes. If you can't find your steamer, chopsticks can be a great substitute. Just lay them across your pot and place your plate on top. It keeps the water out completely. Too much oil in your soup? Put some ice cubes on a spoon, swirl it in the soup, and the excess oil will solidify and lift right off. Simply scald the fish with hot water to easily remove the skin. Here's a genius idea for pouring. Insert a spoon upside down in a narrow bottle mouth. It acts as a guide, and there are no spills at all. Want to ripen a mango quickly? Just bury it in a bowl of rice. When traveling, your extended suitcase handle is a great way to hang laundry or shirts to keep them wrinkle-free. Want a chilled drink fast? Wrap the bottle in a wet paper towel, then put it in the fridge. You'll have a cold drink in no time. You can use water pressure to create a vacuum seal. Slowly lower a zip-top bag into water to push all the air out before sealing. I learned this from a cafeteria lady. Lift the plastic bag in the middle. Tie a knot in the front, and then another in the back. It won't spill, no matter how you carry it, even upside down. The ring from your soy sauce or vinegar bottle isn't trash. Flip it and place it upside down over the opening. It controls the flow and prevents splashing. Use a hair clip to hold the loop of your bracelet to your wrist. Now you can easily wrap it around and snap the clasp closed with one hand. Still biting off plastic tags? Just thread the plastic tip through the bumps on the cardboard tag. Then reverse the tip back through the loop. It opens easily without tools or teeth. Pouring paint gets messy. Cut the top off a plastic bottle, fit it over the paint can, and use a heat gun to shrink it into a spout. Now the paint flows cleanly. Take an old glove and cut it in half. Insert your drain pipe into it and secure it with a zip tie. Flip the glove into the drain pipe hole and secure it again. Now cockroaches and foul smells won't come into your kitchen. Follow me for more practical life hacks.